Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create custom tooltips in Power BI. Now, what is a tooltip? A tooltip is a small pop-up that appears when you hover over a visual, just as you can see on my screen. Now, it provides you with additional context or details without clustering your report. So today you're going to learn how to build a custom tooltip page, format it appropriately, and link it to your visual to improve report interactions and user experience. Now let's get right into the video. The first method to create a tooltip is to go to the insert, click on the shape button, click on rectangle shape. You can use any shape of your choice. In this shape, I'm going to be taking the rectangle because my KPI tag is obviously rectangle. You can also choose to use the button shape. So I'll just pick a rectangle shape. As soon as you click the rectangle shape, just place it on top of the card that you are creating. Go to the format pane, the format shape pane, toggle on the action button and click a drop down. The action type, change it to bookmark and change destination to none. Reason being that if you click on this shape, you don't want any changes to occur. Yeah, if you leave it in back, it's going to go back. It's going to go back if any changes have been made. So yeah, you would see just beneath it, you would see the tooltip action already toggled on. Now click the drop down and you will see a text allowing you to input whatever text you want to input. So for the course of this video, I'm just going to write hi, this is a card that shows the total sales for current and previous year. So that is what I want to see. So when you hover on it, you can see the tooltip button appearing, but then you cannot see the card. Now what we are going to do is collapse the action button and open the star button, turn off the fill as well as the borderline and pick it out. So you can see there's nothing here, but when you hover on it, we get to see the tooltip. Hi, this is a card that shows total sales for current and previous year. So I like to use this tooltip method for cards because it just gives me that flexibility. Yeah. Now the second method to create a tooltip, and this method is not so efficient, but I've noticed a lot of people use it, is click on these charts. Yeah, you would see a tooltip option here already. Now you can feel free to add whatever information you want to see here. So I can just drag and drop my profit on the tooltip. If you now hover over it, don't forget this is the default tooltip. Yeah, you get to see total profit distribution for customer, total profit distribution for corporate. You can also feel free to add quantity to the tooltip as much as you can. Total quantity. If you hover, you still get to see, these measures that we added in the tooltip. But like I said, this is not very, very efficient enough. Now, the third method to create a tooltip is you're going to be using this last chart. I'm going to use last chart to show you. If you hover on 2018 for the category sales distribution, yeah, this is the default tooltip. Now the one way to create it is to click the new page, go to your format, your report page, go to your canvas setting and type change to tooltip. Now I like to place alignment in the middle, so I'm just going to increase this so you can see. I'm going to zoom on it so you can see clearly. Now I'm going to place my visual. Before then, I want to rename this to
tooltip sample. So for this tooltip, we are going to be using the bar charts, the stacked bar charts for this. So yeah, I'm gonna, click on it, after which I'll place the total sales and category. So I want to see the total sales by category as a tooltip. So instantly I would go to my report page. Yeah, I would change the default tooltip. I'm just gonna show you how to do that right now. So you click the my format visual, go to general, click the default tooltip. You can see the button has been toggled on and is in default. Change it from default to report page. After which the page selects tooltip sample that you just created, and that's it. So collapse the tooltip feature, then hover on that chart, the category sales chart. You would see the new tooltip that you've just created. Amazing, right? Oh yeah. So you can also go back and add more, charts to the tooltip page, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So I'm just gonna, resize this real quick. Then I'm going to be adding a line chart. I'm going to be adding a line chart showing the total sales by region. So I'm just, going to resize this. So when I hover over, what I see is, really nice. Just basically, formatting it. Just resize it to your preference. Yeah. So I'm going to add the region and total sales, which is what I want to see as an additional tooltip when I hover on my chart. So yeah. Okay. So I'm done resizing it, and this looks a lot better. So I'm going to go back to my report page, and let's zoom in. So if I hover on this, you can see what we have created as a tooltip is automatically appearing in our chart. So this is super nice, very amazing. So if you want to publish this, don't forget to hide the tooltip sample so it does not show in your web Power BI after publishing. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching. Let me know which method you'll be going with, the first, second, or the third. Personally, I like the first and third method more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please leave your comments in the comment section.